SSFTG Day Trading Academy. What is it, right? What is the Day Trading Academy? What do you get with it? What does it cover? What is this thing all about? The Day Trading Academy is a full video-based course designed to take you from the very beginning all the way to a heavy technical and psychological trading strategy. It starts you off in Unit 1, which helps get everything installed and set up and ready to go. Unit 1 also covers all of the basics of futures, the chart basics, time frames, executing trades, margins and commissions, and the basics of support and resistance and market direction, with about 90 minutes of video course material to follow along with and review. Then on to Unit 2, where we begin digging into the heavy market methodologies, what we use, how we use it, the major market structures and concepts, split up into about 80 minutes of video material. This is the backbone to everything we do and how we perceive the markets as a whole. Finally, we move over to Unit 3, where we start heavily digging into the market entry methods, price action strategy, targets, projections, trade management, location training, probabilities, some of the really big concepts that we really dig into big time here at SSFTG. In here, you've got a bit more to digest. It is definitely a heavier one, but it still weighs in at about 140 minutes or so of video course material. All in all, the Day Trading Academy comes in with roughly 5 or so, a little over 5 hours of video material to get you from the very beginning stages to a full trading strategy, along with each unit section having study and review homework that members can utilize as well for further study. You don't have to. I know homework is one of those things that some people just don't like doing. That isn't everything, though. Well, not even close. You also have access to our Jumpstart course, and the Jumpstart course is, well, as it sounds, relatively fast in terms of getting you started and getting everything ready to go. The Jumpstart video course is a little over an hour. It's about 70 minutes long, and it's to help get things really cruising so you don't miss a beat. It's very quick, it's very to the point, there's not a whole lot to it, and that's the design of it. And then, of course, on the other side of things, if that wasn't enough, you also have access to our deep dive section all the way at the bottom here. And the deep dive section, this is where things go on a totally different tangent. The deep dive session is, well, as the name kind of implies, a deep dive. This section takes a massive dive into market psychology and price action strategy, and this one spans over 14 hours of video material. So that means that you're gaining access to 19 hours, and that collection is constantly growing. It's 19 hours at the time of recording this, of course study material at your fingertips. SSFTG Day Trading Academy members also get access to the massive savings discount applied when they want to upgrade to a full access VIP. Basically, it takes off whatever you paid for the DTA off of VIP access, effectively making the entirety of the Day Trading Academy free if you decide that you want to upgrade to full VIP. I am incredibly excited to bring the Day Trading Academy to you guys in hopes of creating a learning environment that's both loaded with material, but it's also affordable during these crazy times. So for those of you who have already joined the DTA, I'm so happy to have you guys on board. I love seeing all of the questions and the study emails and everything else. And if you haven't joined yet, I hope to see you on board soon. We have such a great family here at SSFTG, and I would love to have you on board with that. As always, if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, jhb@ssftg.com. Until then, like we always say, stay safe out there, keep those stops in play, and let the winners run. Have a great day. Thanks.